In a world filled with noise and chaos, there's a quiet strength that binds us together, a strength that guides our hearts, shapes our actions, and defines our character. Imagine a world without empathy, without kindness, without a sense of responsibility, a world where self-interest reigns supreme. Could nations truly thrive in such a place? The answer is never. The foundations of any society are built upon the character of its people. Without the values of integrity, compassion, and leadership, nations crumble under the weight of their own negative actions. A nation's progress cannot be solely measured by its economic prosperity or technological advancements. While individual achievements is essential, a strong moral foundation is the cornerstone upon which a nation's true greatness is built, that promises a brighter future of Pakistan. In a world where we are facing unprecedented challenges, we need young people who are equipped with the character traits to navigate these complexities with wisdom and grace. Young people who can inspire, lead, and create a brighter future for all. At Character Education Foundation, we believe that in today's fast-paced world, character education is more crucial than ever. Established in 2016, Character Education Foundation offers a holistic character building program for the young generation. Her specially crafted programs and dedicated delivery channels help to cultivate resilience, nurture values, and develop tomorrow's leaders for a world of endless possibilities.
We at Character Education Foundation are committed to building a brighter future of Pakistan by investing in the character of our youth, to raise them as individuals, to emulate the very best that Islam had to offer.
Our core values are built upon collaboration, excellence, innovation, transparency, and a sense of responsibility. These principles guide everything we do. Character Education Foundation produces research-based impactful books, resource materials under the specialized program for the character building of the younger generation. Our programs include Character Building Program. Our Character Building Program is based on 5 fundamental areas and 25 character traits for character development that focus on building the young generation's character. Quran and Sunnah Program. Our Quran and Sunnah Program offers education of Nazira Quran, Fahmul Quran, and Hifz with understanding. This program aims to help people learn and understand the Quran in an easy and meaningful way through a special total physical interaction method. Community Development Program. A community development program empowers individuals through citizenship, leadership, and entrepreneurship training, providing essential skills and mindsets for driving positive change within communities and beyond. Youth Leadership Program. A youth leadership program develops university students' leadership skills for future roles. It provides value-based leadership training, featuring dynamic outdoor activities under youth impact and hands-on training for intellectual development. Mentor Development Program. Our Mentor Development Program transforms parents and teachers into exceptional mentors. It offers specialized training to enhance teaching. The program is supported through specialized CEF institutions nationwide. Further, Character Education Foundation collaborates with schools, colleges, universities, communities, and organizations to integrate character education through materials to educators, parents and stockholders across educational institutions, including self-owned training institutes, aiming to cultivate individuals with strong moral and ethical foundations. Character education academies are set up in 10 districts. They train teachers in Nazira Quran, Fahmul Quran, and character building. Short courses are offered to help teachers become mentors, equipping them to guide and inspire students. Character education institutes support urban women with courses on Quran, Seerah, purposeful life, parenting, and marital life. 8 institutes are operating in cities like Karachi, Lahore, and Islamabad. The goal is to establish 1,800 institutes nationwide to empower women. Character education homes are set up in rural areas to train women. With 25 centers running, they offer courses on Quran, Seerah, purposeful life, parenting, and marital life. Graduates join learning circles for continued growth. The goal is to open 45,246 homes. CEF Online provides an easy-to-use learning management system. Learners can track progress, engage with content, and manage the learning at their convenience. It offers not only Quranic studies, but also courses that help in character building of a young generation, all accessible through a seamless digital platform. Our customized books and specially designed programs are integrated into the curriculum of educational institutions across Pakistan. These resources support character building, helping to shape a brighter future for students by providing them with the tools they need to succeed. We have been approved by National Curriculum Council, Federal Directorate of Education, Islamabad, Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board, Lahore, Directorate of Curriculum and Teachers Education, Abbottabad KPK, Directorate of Curriculum Research and Development, Muzaffarabad AJK. Character Education Foundation is more than just a program. It's a catalyst for change, shaping a brighter future for Pakistan through character building of our younger generation. For further details, visit us at cef.org.pk.